has some test and prep elevators, TKEs. Eight. It's basic TKE elevators. So your fixtures, here's your certificate.
Floor L1.
I think the third one's broken. I think the third car is broken. If it is broken, then I'll end the video down here. That's your basic TKE elevators. Fixtures. Here's just a certificate. Here we are at L1. Those are 3, so that's a separate call station. It's a separate call station. So 2 are on the same call station, 1 is separate, the single car. Here we are at 8. Basic TKE elevator fixtures, and it has your certificate. So unfortunately, the main elevators are blocked off and turnstiles, and the building is closed. Those have TKE Destination Dispatch Elevators.